dyan, yung assignment.
Hey, mauna na kami sa front of the wall. Yes, sure!
Ano rin kami kinit kasi may kawan pa kami. Not dito. Dito.
Okay.
Take na akong palayasin ni Mama sa bahay because I'm not studying. Kulang daw yung low grades, yung high school.
Ikaw, Kenneth, kumusta ka naman? Kanina ka pa dyan tulala. Hey guys, alis muna ako. Nag-text kasi si ate, magkatural siya sa mga house na. Okay, kukunin lang ko doon, balik ako guys. Sige, bye.
Uy, Kinit! Uy! Sorry, ano nga ulit sinabi mo?
Nothing.
What are you thinking of, Kinit? How did you know na dyan iniisip ko?
Kita naman siya.
No, Kinit, you just say what's inside in you because hindi yan madadala sa palagi mong iniisip lang. Dapat lalabas mo. But I'm scared. Don't be scared, Kinit. Kung ano yung gusto mo, paninigan mo.
Hey guys, parang ang lalim na pinag-uusapan niyo ah. Guys, mauna na ako guys, baka pagalitan na naman ako.
Ito guys, mauna na din ako.
Kakarating ko lang, aalis na naman kayo. LG, kanina pa kita hinahanap ko. Have you been? Sorry, Jazz. Because naonan ako dito kasi may ginagawa pa ako. Akala ko may emergency or something but hindi mo ako connect. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Pero by the way, kumusta yung natin, exam? Okay naman, sana mataas ang grade ko. You'll do great naman, di ba? So, you just trust yourself. Ay, by the way, where's Aline? Absent siya because she had a fever. Do you want to study tomorrow or just chill for now? Maybe let's chill for now because I just want to chill my brain because I'm so tired sa mga nakaraang exam. Medyo na yung utak ko nun. Okay.
Huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mong kusa. Humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin o sumama ka sa'kin.
LZ, I have something to tell you.
What?
LZ, I want to tell you that I have feeling for you.
If you don't mind, sorry, but I just consider you as a friend. I hope you understand.
Sorry.
For what?
Sabi ko kanina.
It's okay, Kenneth. Naintindihan ko naman yung nararamdaman.
Bigyan ka rin naman tayo, diba?
Oo naman.
1, 2, 3, 4. be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you, know with every breath you reality did you. I will be strong, I will be faithful, 'cause I'm counting all a new beginning, a reason for living.